Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show where I talk a little bit about upgrading. I went from a Bianchi to a Huffy to a Cannondale, and that is one of my upgrades. Go from Hero 2 to the 3 to the 3 Plus to the 4 to the 5 to the 4 Session to the Hero 5 Black Session to the 6 to the 7 to the 8 to the 10. That's it. And of course, yeah, to the DJI Osmo Action, to the Action 3 and the Action 4. And let's not forget the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah, from the Pocket 1. And sure enough, the Sony ZV-1F to the ZV-1 Mark II. Yeah, upgrades. Some people may like it, love it, hate it. Yeah, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So I'm heading on out, taking a local route around the park. Upgrades are fun. If you don't have anything to upgrade, then you're gonna be upgrading for the good reasons. Man, no hot dogs today. Yeah, we're open, ready to go, all it up. Checking out the ride. And we picked the garbage for just about everything. He's eating that garbage that he just picked up. Food. I'll upgrade for this particular reason, right here. It's buttery smooth. It's low light performance. And because I want to get one myself. Hey, I'm Fish, and I catch you on the next one.